Let's visit the garden. Wow! Let's fly away to the deep forest. Wow! How juicy these fruits are! Let's eat some more. This is delicious! Yes! Wow! Let's go a little above. Have fun! Wow! Wow! This orchard is just perfect. I agree. Look at all these apples. Let's fly around all day. We are going to have so much fun. Look at all these apples. Let's fly around again. This is so much fun. What an amazing scene it is from here. You are absolutely right. This is a beautiful forest. Let's explore further. Wow, look at all the trees. Wow, look at that! It's so beautiful! We made it! Look! Look! There's a vast grassland! Let's go there! The grass is very soft and cool also. The grass is very soft and cool. Let's run around. See, there is vast grassland. Let's run! Let's run! Let's play hide and seek! Yeah!
It will be fun!
Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shh! Ready or not, here I come! 7, 8, 9, 1, 10. Ready or not, here I come! 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Where can you be? There you are. I saw you. Wow! Let's play something else. Yes! 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 What should we play? Let's do hopping and reach that tree with yellow flowers. Let's do a hop race. Yes! I'm gonna win! Ready, set, go! I'm gonna win! No way! Wait for me! Catch me if you can! I did it! Wow! It was really fun! Let's play catch! Catch me if you can! Wait for me! I'm gonna catch you! It was a day full of fun.